Hello, and welcome to Ohio Shaves. Today, I'm going to be going back to the Merkur 34C. The timeless razor, it cut the hell out of my neck. I think it's way too aggressive. I thought with my thick beard that I would need a more aggressive razor. That's not the case. So I'm going to go back to this Merkur with a feather blade in it. The feather blade is supposed to be the sharpest blade you can buy. So I'm also using Stirling soap, Executive Man. Great soap. This is only my second time using it, so I wanted to use it with the Merkur. So I'm letting my water bloom in the soap tub, and I'm going to rub that blooming water on my face where I plan on shaving. I need to get back here a little bit. Okay, rinse that off. All right. And I'm also going to be using the Simpson synthetic brush. I'm going to tell you what, it's the T3 knot. I really like this. It was $34 on Amazon, but it's way better than the Badger brush Perfecto that I was using. So I'm just gonna lather up in my bowl to get some soap here loaded on here. And I'm just putting the tips in there just to load up the tips. Then I'm going into this collapsible. This is really cool. This is from Stirling soap as well. How cool is that? And it just pops out. I like the perforation in here. It creates a quick lather. So I have this loaded up. Put it in there. I watched Mark from Stirling Soaps, the owner, him and Mandy, but I watched him lather up his soap. And I'm going to tell you what, he's like, you can't really add too much water to my product. And that guy could lather. What has it been? 15, 20 seconds? And I'm already here. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. All right, so that looks great. That's perfect for my face. All right, so we're going to start applying it. Someone's at my front door. Okay, put a little more on here. All right, now I'm just going to work it in with the tips. And I got to tell you, this brush is so soft. It's creating no irritation on my neck whatsoever, and I'm liking it. I'm gonna grab a little bit more water and put it in here. And this soap is something else. Look at that, folks. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, a little heavier over here. Got done blowing leaves outside in 40-degree weather. Welcome to Ohio. All right, so I'm going to warm up the Merkur 34C with a feather blade. All right, let's go in for the first pass. Now this is my second shave with this razor blade. That timeless razor, man, I chewed up my neck. The cheeks were okay, but my neck, it tore it up. Going over that zit I had a few days ago from last week. All right. I'm not pressing hard at all. This razor has a lot more weight to it, so it's definitely easier to shave with than an aluminum razor. You don't have to push at all. You just let this thing do the work. As for the soap, I'm really digging this soap. Everyone was talking about slickness. I really didn't know what slickness was till I started using different soaps and creams. Now, going with the grain on my neck never gets anything. That's just a given. All right, let me rinse my face. I forgot to get my goatee. Okay. Go back into the lather. I might even add just a touch more water to that. I mean, this soap is going to last forever. I can already see that. All right. Applying it to the face. Yeah, I mean, my face is still slick from just the first pass. I mean, look, you can see where everything's at. Go back over here again. Get up there. All right, that's pretty good. All right, so back to the Merkur 34C. I can, after using that timeless aluminum razor, which is more aggressive than this, I can see why everyone recommends this razor, because getting the angle right is like really hard with this. But if it doesn't, if you don't get it, it doesn't cut your face. And I like that, especially since I'm new to this. Okay, this pass is going to be cross grain. Now if one of you cut in your goatee. Sometimes get some little hairs up there. I mean, I'm just dragging this thing over my face. Okay. It's probably the hardest pass for me. Under my chin line, cross cut. But you can see the rake lines that it's leaving from the indentations of that blade, because I'm not pressing hard. Okay, other side. All right. I've been doing this now for a month, and I thought it was going to be really hard to learn, but the more I do it, just like anything else, it's becoming pretty easy. And I'm liking lathering my face and all that. Right now, up top is probably BBS. Down here, it's going to be the downstroke, or against the grain, where it's going to make a difference. So let me do the lather up for the final pass. I don't feel any irritation yet on my face, but when I put that alum block on it, I'll feel it if I have a little bit of razor burn. No nicks yet. All right, so against the grain. Here a little bit, so it's taking down a little bit. Not much though. This is the hard pass, the neck. I mean, I'm holding it in my fingertips so I don't push too hard. Flip the razor. Yeah, it's getting through it, but it's gonna need one more pass. Doing a cleanup here. My neck, it needs it down here, which that's always how I have to do it. Up top, up top I'm clean. Might want to cut that line in a little better, but I'm clean up top. And even where that zit was, that Merkur 34C with a feather blade didn't cut it. I mean, that's how mild that razor is, and it still does the job. All right, I want to cut that in a little better. That one's good. Okay. Careful, careful, careful. Yeah, if you're starting out like I am, this is a winning razor. It's only $40. I mean, it's a winner. All right. Let me clean up here with cold water. Start closing pores. Okay, alum block right here. These are cheap too. I think I paid $2 for this on Amazon from Praso. Might have been $3. Okay, I don't feel anything on my cheeks. Feel a little bit underneath here. None down here. Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you, that is something else. That Merkur 34C is a winner. I mean, it's a definite winner. All right, rinse that off. All right. Now what I've been using after that is Nivea face balm. This is very cheap, and it's, oh man, it's really good too. So, pat my face dry. Shake it up. I put about that much on, quite a bit. I'm gonna put it on my head too. Yep, that's a wrap. What a great shave. So the Merkur 34C with a feather blade is a winner. This combination for someone who facial hair is very thick like mine, and I shave like every 2 days. Unless we're going out somewhere nice, then I'll shave again. But I'm gonna tell you what, that feather blade is a winner. I have 2 shaves on this blade. I think I'm gonna go 3 and see how many good shaves I can get. But thank you so much.